it's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf, we the baddest. And as they say, connect.
Yo. What is up, guys? Jamaica's Game right here with another reaction. And today, guys, we're here with Malie. Malie that himself. With a song called Fountain. It's a music video. So let's jump in there and hear with the GS. Big up yourself, Malie. You don't know. Malie, me send you a DM, bro. Look on it and you see me? But yeah, let's jump in there and hear with the GS. Let's go. Sorry to interrupt your video, guys. There again with some more promotions, guys. So if you need your videos or your songs to be on the platform, you can follow me on Instagram and send me a message in my DMs. Serious inquiries only, please, if you want prices and stuff like that, and you're serious about putting the music out there as a young artist and big artist. Same way, you can do that same way by linking up. You see me? Jamaica_verse_gamer on Instagram. You see me? Also, guys, if you have any party you promote and you need promotional prices, also you can link me up for that. You see me? But yeah, let's get back to the video. Drop top.
Yo, Sam.
Skin. Hold on. You're to the explorer now, my bro. You're out at night with flashlight. I look for mama. On the riverbed you there. On the riverbed you there. Mine's Tonya.
Skin out your tight pum pum, make me fuck that bitch. Give her the pussy, then a gunshot run.
Weird. You see, Malie dan girl sang them. When you see Malie dan girl sang them aggressive, you fuck. But guess what? The girl them fuck with it. The girl them like it. Malie dan girl sang them aggressive. But guess what? The girl them like it, bro.
The pussy wetter than a fountain. Yo, drop that. Be a pussy man.
Yo, Sam.
Fountain pussy give up. Fountain pussy. Skin out your tight pum pum, make me fuck that bitch. Give her the pussy, then a gunshot run off her body and you're so full up a tough chat. Pretty face, but you know for broke cat go, mommy. Right on your body, don't stop so.
You run off her body and you're full up of so much tough chat. I want to hear, eh?
Give her the pussy, then a gunshot run off her body and you're so full up a tough chat. Pretty face, but you know for broke cat go, mommy. Right on your body, don't stop so sloppy. Take your time, deep throat that. All a box on your jaw, cause you love chat.
I drop it, I'm gonna drop a while ago. Hold on.
Take your time, deep throat that. All a box on your jaw, cause you love chat. I'm a rough bad, and you love that, baby.
She love the badness, man. She love the badness. She's that type of girl.
Anybody don't stop so sloppy. Take your time, deep throat that. All a box on your jaw, cause you love chat. I'm a rough bad, and you love that, baby. So make it bounce. Yeah, make it shake. Girl, you make it earthquake. I'm on that fountain pussy as my way. So make it bounce. Yeah, make it shake. Girl, you make it earthquake. I'm on that fountain pussy as my wake up. You get drape up, full your papi a fuck. Your pum pum now fire like Draco.
You get drape up, fully up a beer fuck. Your pum pum now fire like Draco. Yo, the G bother up, you know, bother up your fuck. She like it. Every morning she get it. She like it.
You get drape up, full your papi a fuck. Your pum pum now fire like Draco. Bitch, roll money and go and do your makeup. Your nails paint up and your hair lace up. Round of applause for your vagina. Round of applause cause you a rider. You can't style her. Suck off my cocky. Round of applause for your vagina. Round of applause cause you a rider. You can't style her. Suck off my cocky, make it full of saliva. So make it bounce. Yeah, Yeah, make it shake, make it shake. Girl, you make it earthquake. I'm on that fountain pussy as my way. So make it bounce, make it bounce. Yeah, make it shake, make it shake.
Come make it shake.
Girl, you make it earthquake. I'm on that fountain pussy as my way. Shut the door, broke it slow. Tap it nice, take your body more. Cause your nipple pierce, and your tummy bore. She said, Daddy, you come sweet like honeycomb. Round of applause for your vagina. We come on that fountain pussy as my way. Shut the door, broke it slow. Tap it nice, take your body more. Cause your nipple pierce, and your tummy bore. She said, Daddy, you come sweet like honeycomb. Round of applause for your vagina. Round of applause cause you a rider. Yeah.
Baby, round of applause for your pum pum. You make the G left him yard and up. Me don't know which part him there, but at night now, him have flashlight in the hand. Him have on the little Australian hat thing. Me don't even know what them call. The hunter, the hiker's hat. And him outside on riverbed. I look for your fountain pussy. Round of applause. When pussy go to make man's chair. When pussy go to make man's chair, baby. Round of applause for you.
Baby, you can't style. I just suck off my cocky, me full of saliva. So make it bounce, make it bounce. Yeah, make it shake, make it shake.
Make it shake.
Girl, you make it earthquake. I'm on that fountain pussy as my way. So make it bounce, make it bounce. Yeah, make it shake, make it shake. Girl, you make it earthquake. I'm on that fountain pussy as my wake up.
Fountain pussy. I should wake. Yeah. Bumbuckler. Drop top. Logics, big up. Drop top. Birmingham. Yo. Nothing else not come. Oh, Logics and logo come. Hear me no Logics.
Hear me no Logics.
Yo, like we say, Malie done girl sang them aggressive. Like they are borderline violence. But guess what? I'll be a bad girl the boss like. And the bad girl them like him too. Bad girl like him like you know what? You know what I say? Yeah. So what they say there. Big up yourself, Malie. If you know, you know, you know. Yeah, man. El Crook. Bumbuckler. Nice. Me like the concept of the video. Obviously you're out a hunt for her. You find her because she have the fountain pussy, so you don't know, so you find her up on the riverbed with the water there. So you don't know all heap of sexual scene and go on there, so and thing. Nice video. Logics and drop top. Big up on yourself. And the rest of the production team. Malie is on a roll, and the role where G up and I like it. You see me? So yeah. Big up yourself, my G. So I'm going to do that still. If you enjoy that one, I want some more of Malie reactions. There's a couple of videos floating about on your screen. You see me? Malie, give me a link, bro. Alright? Peace.
It's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf with the baddest. And it's a rip connect.